Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Dom from Lensprotogo and Lens Rentals, and welcome back to the channel. This video is sort of going to end the streak of A7S3 videos I've been doing recently, for now at least. And in this video, I'm just simply going to be showing some low light sample footage taken on the A7S3, which is probably the best low light video camera I've ever used. So I did one quick test here in the studio, and then I took the A7S3 into our home city of Boston to get even more low light sample footage. And over all of this footage, I'll include all of the specs and ISO values and things like that in the bottom left for reference. So with that being said, let's check them out. First, this is a quick test I did in the studio with some candles, and I'm going to show you the image I get from a few of the higher ISO values. I used the aperture to counter the exposure as I was increasing the ISO values, and once I reached f16, I increased the shutter speed. Okay, and like I said, everything else I got was from a pretty rainy night out in Boston, some in S-Log3 and some with no picture profile, taken at all different ISO and aperture values, which I'll list with the clips. Okay, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this quick video, and definitely be on the lookout for next week's video, which is one I'm really excited for. It's a 4K 120 FPS shootout between the Canon EOS R5 and the Sony A7S3. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button down below. And while you're down there, drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions or comments about the A7S3. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.